This is Sheila from CopyPro Templates. Today, I'm gonna walk you through this opt-in funnel template that I made using System.io, and I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to do it and what you'll get in this template. Just in case you want to grab this template, I will put a link below so you can get it. Okay, now this opt-in funnel template consists of two pages. First is the opt-in page, and second is the thank you page. Now, just a quick run through. This opt-in page has a single purpose. It's to get their email in exchange for the freebie that you provide. The freebie can be a workbook, it can be a PDF guide, or a quiz, or a workshop, or anything that you can offer for free in exchange for their emails, so that you can send them emails that will give them a hint about your coaching program. Okay, so in this part right here, this is the hero section. It shows the part where they can give their email in exchange for your free guide. Now, it should also show the benefit of what they'll get. And in the sections below, these are just supporting sections just in case they are not convinced yet. So in an opt-in funnel, actually you don't need a lot of convincing, especially if you've already explained a lot somewhere before they click this opt-in page. So you can remove anything that you feel that is not needed. But I still highly encourage to include these sections because it will show how serious you are in helping them. Now, you want people to think, if this is what I get for free, how much more if I pay for something for the coaching, right? So this will also give them a little more nudge to really explore your freebie. So below, there is the benefits of the freebie that you'll give, the testimonials, a little more nudge just in case they go here and then they didn't subscribe yet. And then below, you can tell who you are, what you do, and maybe a quick overview of what you offer. And then below is another section that gives a little nudge for them to subscribe to your opt-in page. And whenever they click the button, it will direct them to the pop-up here. And next is the opt-in page. It will basically tell them that their free guide is already on its way and they can check their email for it. It's really important for them to get the download through their email so that you can make sure that the email that they gave is really correct. And then you can show them what's next here and just a quick overview of what you offer, so they can learn more about your program, or they can reach out to you if they have any questions. And then again, a little more overview of who you are and what you do, and a link to your program or workshop that you currently offer. Now, this opt-in funnel template includes a step-by-step guide. I made it here. And then this is where you can get everything that you need to publish your opt-in funnel fast without taking days in editing the copy, because this also provides you the ChatGPT prompts for the copy and the email sequence, which I will show you later. So here in the overview, you can see the link to System.io funnel template. Now, before you click this, please make sure that you have a System.io account. So if you don't have it yet, you can sign up for free in the link in the description. I will provide that for you. And then once you have that, just click this link to System.io opt-in funnel template. And then make sure that you're already logged into your account before you click this. Now, if you do that, it will direct you to the System.io dashboard. As you can see here, there's a status that says it's in progress, but you can just refresh that, and then here it's already active. Now, after that, you can click the funnel itself and then edit it, and then edit the fonts, the text, the images, and the pop-up here. So you can also edit that according to your branding. And one more important thing is make sure to edit this in the URL path so that it will be based on what you want this page to be called. So for example, you want this to be lead magnet, something like that. So when they click your link, they will see lead magnet. So it can also be like free guide or free workshop or free class. And then do the same for the thank you page. Edit this, and then you can edit the page. And then edit it according to your branding, the colors, the fonts, and everything. And then other relevant links here in your purchase directory or the step-by-step guide, there's a link to lead magnet idea generator. So if you click that, it will give you the ChatGPT prompt for the lead magnet idea generator. Now, if you see this part right here, you can also just click the tabs here so you can easily check what's inside. I also wanted to give you a quick overview on how to use these prompts. First, let's go to the lead magnet idea generator. So I created this prompt. It's for coaches or people or creators who have no idea what freebies they can send to their subscriber. So in this lead magnet idea generator, it gives you a couple of ideas that is really aligned to your coaching program or what you offer, because you want your freebie to be aligned with what you offer, if that makes sense, so that they have an overview. It just gives them a hint of what's inside your coaching program. That's very important. And then you can just copy everything here. And you need ChatGPT. You can do this in a free account. So for example, here, I will paste it here and then enter. Okay, it asks you something. What is your main paid offer or core product? So for example, let's say fitness coaching program. Enter. Now, it asks for the result or transformation that you want your clients to get once they pay for your fitness coaching program. So I can say that lose weight fast without dying at the gym. Let's say something like that. And then have no time but wants a nice body. And then you can say like eat well or something similar. So as an example like that, who is your ideal customer? I can say BC professionals who don't have time to exercise. What is the biggest problem they want solved right now? Lose weight fast. So it will continue to ask you for something. You just have to fill in the details as accurate as possible. So in this example, I've already generated something out of this prompt. So here are the next steps. It will ask you what kind of freebie you want to give them. So it can be a PDF guide, checklist, workbook, a 5 to 7 day challenge, or anything. And you can also say you're not sure yet. And it will give you 3 lead magnet ideas for your coaching that is really related to your core offer. Okay, and then from that, you can generate another text to build the text for your guide, or you can create it yourself. It depends. But the idea here, it's really important to make sure that what you offer, the freebie you offer, is something that will lead them to your coaching program, to your core offer. Okay, and then the next prompt is the opt-in page copy generator. So as you can see here in the opt-in page, there are texts to be edited, but you don't really have to manually edit this because you can use this ChatGPT prompt that I've added. So I already did that for this. This is an example. Make sure you fill in the details first before you paste it to ChatGPT, and you can continuously paste the ChatGPT prompt after generating the ideas for your freebie so that it will coincide based on what you picked, just in case you don't have any lead magnet ideas yet. Okay, so here, as you can see, ChatGPT will generate the exact copy structure based on your lead magnet, and what you'll do, you'll just have to copy and paste it here in the editor for the opt-in page in System.io. And next is the thank you page ChatGPT prompt. So we have the thank you page here, and you can just copy this and paste. But before that, make sure to insert the details here. You can copy everything and then paste it here, but don't send it yet. Make sure to fill in the details of your next steps, email, and other important info so that it will generate as accurate as possible. You don't have to write anything, you just have to copy and paste it. But just please make sure that it's correct, right? Just read it and make sure that all the info there is correct before pasting it to System.io editor and replacing the text here. So next, finally, the email sequence ChatGPT prompt. Actually, this is one of the most important parts of this opt-in funnel template, because most people, most coaches just end up making the lead magnet and then giving it for free and then don't know what to do next. So they just give them a thank you email where they can download, and then after that, they don't have any idea on what to tell next. Now, remember, your lead magnet funnel gets their email so that you can send them something in their email that will lead them to your core offer, right? So this email sequence generator will help you create the emails after someone subscribes or gets your freebie and gives you their email. So you can copy and paste the prompt in ChatGPT as it is. So you don't have to enter anything in this case for the email sequence generator, as long as you paste the same prompt to the same ChatGPT thread where you generated your lead magnet idea freebie, your thank you page, your opt-in page copy, so that it knows what needs to be said in the email sequence. Now, this is where the magic happens. After you enter this, it will give you a quick sequence overview table of the emails that you have to send, when to send it, and what are the goals of the emails, the main topics, and the click to action text. So here, it will also give you the specific schedule, like the best time, when to send it, and then the full email copy. And I've really honed this prompt to make sure that the copy itself is not generic. It's something that really speaks to them, like you're just speaking like a friend. So it's not really something that is obviously AI generated. So as you can see here, there is always a PS so that they can anticipate for the next email and to give them a quick overview of what you'll send next. So here are the full email copy for the 7 email copy sequence that you can copy and paste to your System.io account. So that's it for the ChatGPT prompts. Aside from the opt-in funnel from System.io, the ChatGPT prompts, you'll also get the Canva images that I've used to build this funnel. So here, this template for this image, these icons, the images. Here, you can also get this yourself, this one, and even this one. So you can have an idea about the size of the image. And of course, this one, this, and this. So they are included here. If you click that, it will direct you to Canva. Now, one more thing, 2 more bonuses I've included here, just in case you don't want to use the same images that I have. You can click this bonus number 1 and make sure you have a Canva account. It can work on free Canva accounts, and then click edit template. So here you can just copy this, or there are a lot of images here that you can use. You can disregard the text, and you can even use these exact templates for your digital products or for your core offer. And at the same time, you can use it for the freebies. Another one, here, just edit the template and then see everything here. Actually, you can also use these templates. Aside from using these for your opt-in funnels, you can also use these to promote your coaching program or digital products anywhere. So you're free to use it. Just make sure to update the text and the colors according to your branding. So these are all the things that you can get if you get this opt-in funnel template. So again, you'll get an opt-in page template in System.io, a thank you page template for ChatGPT prompts, Canva images, and then of course this guide. So moving forward, I will make walkthrough videos not only for this on how to edit your System.io funnel. I will also make walkthrough videos on how you can start sending your emails through System.io. So that will be the things that you'll get after you get this template, and I will also show all the videos here in this step-by-step guide. So if you feel lost, you just have to go to this guide and see how easy it is to make your opt-in funnel. Okay, so if you have any questions about this template, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.